Good morning, friends. Welcome to Destiny Academy. Today we will solve true and false of the Science Chapter 1 for standard 10th. So, first, CaCO3 solution is used to whitewash the wall. This statement is false. The chemical formula of copper sulfate is CuSO4. So, this statement is correct, true. Silver chloride is insoluble in water. So this is true. The formula of sodium sulfite is Na2SO4. This is true. Sorry, this is false. Sodium sulfite it is, not sulfate. That's why the statement is false. The balanced equation of chemical reaction is called skeletal chemical equation for that reaction. That is false. The total mass of elements present in products of any chemical reaction is equal to the mass of element present in reactants. So this is true. Zn plus sulfuric acid is called zinc sulfide plus hydrogen. That is false. That is zinc sulfate. Remember, ZnSO4 will be there. So it will be zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. So if it was written like that, zinc sulfate, then that is true. But it is false. In a chemical equation, along with chemical formulae of either reactant or product, the physical state are also indicated. True. The chemical reaction in which a product is formed from two or more than two reactants is called displacement reaction. This is true, false statement. Making of fertilizer from vegetable matter is an example of exothermic reaction. So this is true. By heating crystal of ferrous sulfate, its color changes. This is true. AgBr in sunlight, Ag plus Br2 are used in color photography. That is false. It is used in black and white photography. Pb plus CuCl2 that gives PbCl2 plus Cu is an example of displacement reaction. So that is true. Zinc and lead are more active element than copper. Therefore, they displace Cu from compounds of copper. This is true. The chemical reaction in which the exchange of ion occurs between the reactants is called precipitation reaction. This is true. If a substance loses oxygen during chemical reaction, so it is said to be reduced. So this is true. When a metal is attacked with moisture or acid, it is called corrosion. That is false. Rusting of iron can be considered a serious problem. This is true. Oxygen gas is added to prevent oxidation of chips. This is false. I think I have doubt in this 17th one, so we will solve it later. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.